Okay guys, quick reminder on how to set up a automatic table of contents in Word. I've got here a blank Word document. There's 2 pages. The only thing I've done so far is insert page numbers in the bottom right. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start off by adding some content. So on page 2, I'm going to put in my introduction. Okay, I'm going to highlight introduction. I'm going to change the style to heading 1. Okay, and the styles are the important part here. An automatic table of content doesn't work without styles being enabled. So I've got my introduction, and in that section I write down what my assignment's about. I'm then going to make some space and put down task 1. Again, the style is going to be changed to heading 1. I'm going to keep going. I'm going to assume I wrote quite a lot for this section and finished off that page. And task 2 will be on the next page. Highlight task 2, styles, and give it heading 1. Now, within task 2, I had a couple of subheadings. And what we're going to do, I'm going to just numerically show them at the moment. You'd have proper titles. So task 2.1 and task 2.2. So there you go, 2 subheadings. Again, we need to use styles, so highlight each one individually. Click on heading 2 in your styles list. For you guys, it's slightly off screen, so let me move it over. Heading 2. And again, for task 2.2, styles, heading 2. Okay, with all that set, we're now ready to actually insert our table of contents. So go up to the page in which your table of contents is going to be. And it's not under insert, it's actually under references this time. So references, table of contents, and then you get a selection of various types. They look very similar, so pick the one you feel suits what you're doing. I'm going to go for modern for mine. And there you go. We now have a table of contents. You notice with the modern style, it puts heading 1s in blue and subheadings, or heading 2 and 3, in black. Again, if you don't like that, go back and change the style. You'll notice automatically chosen the page numbers. Now, the beauty of this is not only does it look neat, it can update as you improve or change your work. So let's assume task 2.1 wasn't quite long enough and you decide to add a bit more. And it meant task 2.2 moved down to page 4. Let's do that. Let's move task 2.2 all the way down onto the next page. There you go, task 2.2 is now on page 4. What you can do is click at the top of your table of contents, click on Update Table. Want the entire table updated, click OK, and there you have it. Task 2.2 is now shown on page 4.